Oh yes, I knew they were here somewhere. I've been looking for these. That is not good. Looks like the camera's fine. Like, my phone just completely fell out of the tripod. But seriously, enough about my phone. Look at the view, guys. Look at this weather. It's so nice outside, dude. The only complaint I have is it's just really humid. So humid. What is up, guys? My name is Brandon and welcome to my first vertical vlog. In this video I'm posting on Instagram TV? What? What is Instagram TV? Well, that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video, guys, and hopefully doing some other stuff and giving you some updates about my channel and the future of my channel. I feel like I post update videos like once a week. It's terrible, I know, but I'm just still trying to figure out what I want to do with my channel, so that's why, but eventually everything will be smooth, hopefully. But anyways, guys, let's get into the video. Alright, so first I want to talk about Instagram TV. What is Instagram TV? Wow, it is way too hot to make a video outside today. I have to get... Ooh, almost fell. It is way too hot to make a video outside, guys. I had to get into the woods, and it actually feels pretty nice in the woods. Also, some great lighting. If I can get my camera straight. So, basically, Instagram TV is a new social video platform that is trying to take on, video... Wow, I cannot speak today. That's trying to take on video platforms such as YouTube and others. Instagram's main focus in this is simplicity and vertical video. Unlike YouTube, which does support vertical video, although videos are mainly in landscape orientation. Wow, man, the bugs are crazy. So as I was saying, Instagram is trying to take on YouTube and other video platforms by making a vertical video and simplistic video platform. It is also built right into Instagram, which is probably what you're seeing this video on right now, but they do have a dedicated app as well. I believe you can upload videos up to an hour long in the dedicated app, but only 5 minutes long in the Instagram app itself. But that's pretty much it. It's super simple to use, so I don't really need to make a tutorial on it. But if you're not already following me, please hit that follow icon by hitting my profile. It's going to be like right here, and then there's going to be a button like right here to follow me. Seriously, an airplane? Wow. Alright, so now I'm going to talk a little bit about my channel. If you haven't seen already, I changed my profile picture as well as my... Man, the bugs. So if you haven't seen already, I changed my profile picture as well as my tag and username. So now my username is bdphd_ because bdphd is already taken. But I'm also going to be renaming my YouTube channel probably by the time this video comes out. But that's part of this whole thing that I'm doing. I just kind of want to change up my channel a little bit, do more of the things that I'm interested in. Before it was just kind of focused on tutorials, reviews, and DIY projects, but now I kind of want to focus more on things that I'm interested in, so not really having a big focus point exactly, but just kind of like daily vlogs, things that I'm interested in. So I'm probably going to be posting some still tutorials, reviews, maybe a DIY project here and there, but also some gaming videos and things like that. I'm also going to try to start posting vlogs on Instagram TV and other videos. I might post my vertical vlogs on YouTube as well, but if I do, they'll be in the vertical format. And it's nice because YouTube does support vertical videos on mobile, so I will be able to post these, and if you guys are watching on mobile, you'll be able to see full screen, just like in Instagram TV. Alright, I gotta go inside, guys. There are so many bugs out here. now I'm going to talk about a little bit about the future of my channel and Instagram TV and what I plan to do with the new Instagram TV and with my channel and things like that. So I already kind of mentioned it a little bit, but I want to start doing more things that I'm just interested in. So my channel's not really going to have a focus. That's why I changed the name from DIY Vlogger to whatever I had before to now BDPHD. So I'm just going to try to upload when I can and upload things that I'm interested in. So that's kind of going to be the same things I've been doing, but less focus on like DIY projects and things that aren't really feasible because I don't really have enough money to do those projects. So that's what you're going to be seeing from now on. I'll post these vlogs on YouTube as well, so you guys can watch them there. But I'm also going to be mainly posting vlogs on Instagram TV, and I'll also post updates and things. But also comment down below. I think it's like right in this region here. Comment down below what you'd like to see me post videos on Instagram TV about, because I really do need ideas. Like, seriously, I have no idea what I'm going to post. Just the only thing I know I'm going to post is vlogs and update videos, and that's pretty much it. So if you have ideas, hit that comment button. It's going to be right here. I'm going over to a friend's house later today. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this or not, but I'm going to see if I can record some Fortnite gameplay. We're going to be playing Fortnite over at his house. Alright, well, now I'm going to clean and pack up, so time for time lapse. Go! Alright, just finished cleaning my room for the most part, and now it is time to pack. So, roll the time lapse. This is my backpack. I'm going to quickly go over what I have in it because it seems like a lot of tech YouTubers do this thing, so I'm going to give it a whirl. So in the front pocket, you've got cables and mouse. I'm also going to put my portable battery in there right before I leave, as well as a iPhone charger so I can charge up my phone. And in the second pocket is my clothes, toiletries, things like that. And then the third pocket is going to be my computer, headphones, and computer cord. And then in this protective smaller pocket right here is going to be my glasses. And that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot of stuff to bring, but that's what I'm bringing. Alright, well, it is 3:20. My friend is coming at 4:30, and we're planning on just kind of hanging out today, playing some Fortnite, and then tomorrow we might actually go to either Water Country or Busch Gardens. But anyways, signing off for now. I will be back at 4:30 when my friend gets here. It's been a few days since I last updated, but we had a great time at the park. I wasn't able to record any Fortnite gameplay, sadly, but I'll try to get some soon. I'm going to try to record some Xbox Fortnite gameplay. So I'll try to get those out soon. But anyways, if you did enjoy that video, hit that like button. Also comment down below more video ideas that I could do on IGTV in the future. And if you don't already, please hit that follow button. Actually, it's going to be like right here and then like down here or over here somewhere. But hit that follow button if you're not already followed. But anyways, thanks for watching. Peace out.